Namaste everyone and welcome to my channel Sapna's Yoga Diary. If you are a yoga practitioner and you are thinking to invest in a yoga block, you want to buy a yoga block for yourself but you do not know which one to go for. You are confused between the cork and the foam yoga blocks. The cork and the foam yoga blocks. This video is going to be helpful for you. So when I was also thinking of buying the yoga blocks, I was confused. Which one should I go for? Shall I go for the cheapest ones, the foam blocks, or should I invest in the cork yoga blocks? I actually thought, in the beginning, I thought the difference is only of the material, but purpose-wise, they both will serve me the same. They both will serve the same purpose. That was my thought in the beginning. Part when I so basically when in the beginning I bought the foam blocks. I bought two, and they both are from Reebok. So this is from Reebok and this is from Juru Yoga. So they both are among the best in their categories. So they both are from good brand. So yeah, so when I bought these, I thought it will serve my purpose, but honestly, after buying and after I have hardly used them basically. I haven't used them because the problem with the foam is they're so lightweight, and they are, the grip wise also, they're not that good. You don't get the perfect grip. It will keep on slipping, and not keep on slipping, but it will slip. And sometimes you want the block to be like this, and when you place your hand, it will just turn. So you always so it has happened with me, and after those incidents, I was not gaining that confidence of using these blocks, and I always had the fear in my head, while practicing, and that fear is not actually good when you want to flow comfortably, and when you want to focus just on the practice. You don't want to focus on these things, right? So I didn't really like using the foam blocks when I was practicing. That's why I stopped using the blocks completely. Later, after some time, I was speaking to my friend who is another yoga teacher, and he recommended me to use the cork yoga block. I asked him what about the wooden also. There is a wooden block also available. So he said woodens would be better than this, but cork will be better than the wooden blocks also. So it was purely based on his experience. Your experience may differ because I have not used the wooden blocks, so I will not say anything about it. So yeah, I'll confine my discussion between the foam and the cork one. So that was the thing for the regarding the foam yoga blocks. So I would highly discourage. I will discourage this. I will not. I wouldn't recommend you to use this foam yoga block for any reason. One, they are not going to serve the purpose. You'll have that fear in your head always, and if you don't have that confidence before even practicing, what is the point? So other thing is the material they are using, it's not environment friendly, so it's not going to serve your purpose. It is not going to serve the environment. So what's the point of investing in such block? So don't go for this. Now let's talk about the Juru cork yoga block. So cork yoga block, I don't know if all the cork yoga blocks will feel the same way, but this one feels really good. The moment it was in my hand, I remember when I saw it, when I held it in my hands, I felt really good. This is not light. This feels like a lighter brick. The brick, the actual brick. So it will feel like a nice lighter version of the brick, actual brick. And the moment I held it, I wanted to use it in my practice. And when I tried it for the very first time, I was very happy. The kind of grip it will give you, it will not slide, it will not slip, it will not, it will give you a perfect grip you need for your practice. So I would highly recommend you to use the Cork yoga blocks. They are, of course, they are going to cost you more. They will be, so the Cork yoga blocks will be more than double of the price of the foam yoga blocks. But it is going to be a good investment for you. Remember, you are going to invest in the yoga blocks only once. Don't become like me. So don't play around with these things. Invest in good quality yoga blocks. They are going to be helpful for you. And especially if you are practicing Ashtanga Vinyasa or Vinyasa flow in general, they are going to be very helpful. Another thing which I wanted to mention is there are few blocks which say Cork yoga block, but if you look at the composition of the material, they are not 100% cork. So what they do is they take the foam yoga block and then they cover it, they give the outer covering of the cork, and they will be cheaper in price. And so don't go for anything which will mix these two. Go for the 100% natural cork yoga block. If you really want to see the improvement in your practice, if you really want to feel good about your practice, go for the cork yoga block. So this one is from Juru, though it is not a sponsored video. You can go for any yoga block, a cork yoga block, 100% natural cork yoga block. If at all you choose Juru, then you can use my code, that is 12 of Juru, and you will get 12% discount on the yoga blocks. That code is actually applicable for any product on the Juru Yoga Juru Yoga products, but except for the recycled mat. They have a recycled mat. On that product it won't be applicable, but other than that you can apply that code in all the products of Juru. So yeah, if you are thinking of buying the yoga block, go for Cork one. You will not regret, and you'll be very happy with your practice and with the block. So that's about the yoga blocks. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you did like this video, then do give me a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and bas keep on practicing. Thank you so much for watching. Namaste.